Welcome back to my channel. My name is Amora Riley. Have you ever stopped to think about why women frequently anticipate men to make the first move? Is it merely a remnant of tradition, or is there more to the story? The reality is that various underlying factors contribute to this dynamic, from biological and psychological aspects to social conditioning. The reasons are intriguing. Let's jump right in and explore the fascinating world of dating dynamics, starting with an examination of social conditioning's impact on women's expectations. The influence of social conditioning on dating behavior. Social conditioning significantly shapes women's outlook on dating. From childhood, societal norms and cultural narratives instill the notion that men should lead romantic pursuits. Films, books, and even family teachings reinforce this concept, fostering an environment where men are expected to initiate and women are expected to respond. As society evolves and traditional roles are challenged, these beliefs still hold sway over many women's approach to dating. It's not that women are incapable of making the first move. They certainly can, and some do. However, numerous women prefer not to initiate due to the social scripts they've absorbed over time. The emotional significance of taking the first step psychologically. Initiating a connection communicates not only interest, but also courage and emotional resilience. As John Gray highlights in Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus, men often derive a sense of empowerment from taking action, while women may feel more secure when pursued. This dynamic fosters a complementary relationship where each individual fulfills distinct yet harmonious roles. The influence of rejection and risk perception. One significant aspect of this dynamic is the role of rejection. Women may opt to let men make the first move to minimize their own risk of being turned down. By allowing the man to initiate contact, a woman can assess his level of interest without exposing herself to potential emotional vulnerability. This strategy reflects a concept called risk perception in psychology, where individuals aim to reduce their emotional risks by acting strategically. The chase dynamic, its role in attraction and emotional investment. Many women appreciate the excitement and anticipation associated with being pursued. When a man takes the initiative, it creates a sense of novelty and intrigue, laying the foundation for a meaningful connection. It's crucial, however, to emphasize that the chase isn't about manipulation or game playing. Rather, it's about establishing a balanced and engaging rapport where both parties feel intrigued and committed. Applying these insights, making the first move with confidence. Imagine spotting someone intriguing at a social event. Mustering the courage to approach them can set you apart from the crowd. A simple introduction such as, "Hi, I noticed you earlier and wanted to introduce myself," demonstrates your interest without being overbearing. This small act of bravery not only initiates contact, but also communicates your willingness to take the lead, a quality many women find attractive. The importance of confidence in attraction. When it comes to attracting a partner, confidence is an essential trait that can make all the difference. Confidence demonstrates self-assurance, decisiveness, and a genuine interest in connecting with others. It's not about being arrogant or forceful, but rather displaying a quiet self-assurance that's both appealing and reassuring to potential partners. For women, a confident man is attractive because he appears emotionally strong and decisive, qualities that can make her feel secure and valued. Women want to feel desired, and when a man takes the initiative, it sends a clear message that he's genuinely interested in getting to know her. Confidence is more than just a display of bravado. It's about trusting yourself and being comfortable taking the lead. When you make the first move, it signals emotional strength and determination, qualities that many women find irresistible. It's not about being perfect, it's about showing up authentically and fearlessly. The risk factor, why women may hesitate to make the first move. One reason women might hold back from initiating contact is the fear of rejection. Rejection can have a profound impact on a woman's self-esteem, especially considering societal norms that expect men to take the lead. By waiting for a man to make the first move, a woman can reduce her risk of being turned down and protect her emotional well-being. Consider the analogy of a job interview. If a company contacts you first, you feel appreciated and valued. Similarly, in dating, when a man approaches a woman, he shows he's willing to take on the emotional risk of rejection. This gesture can be incredibly affirming for her, as it conveys confidence, interest, and a willingness to take charge. The significance of initial interactions in relationships. First impressions are everything. When you take the initiative and make the first move, you're not only starting a conversation, but you're also establishing a foundation of trust and respect. These early exchanges set the tone for the entire relationship, making it crucial to approach them with confidence and sincerity. Imagine you're browsing books at a library and notice a woman perusing a title you've read and enjoyed. You can seize this opportunity by approaching her and saying something like, "That's an excellent book. I couldn't put it down. What genres do you usually enjoy?" This simple act shows initiative and creates an instant connection through shared interests, making it a natural way to break the ice while demonstrating confidence and attentiveness. Small gestures like these are often more impactful than grand displays. They reveal emotional intelligence and consideration, qualities that many women find incredibly attractive. Beyond the move, the importance of energy and intent. Making the first move is not just about taking action, it's about the energy and intent behind that action. Women aren't waiting for men to take the lead because they're incapable or disinterested. Instead, they're seeking a confident and respectful approach that sets the tone for the relationship and reflects your overall energy. A self-assured move communicates that you know what you want and aren't afraid to pursue it. It showcases initiative and self-assurance, qualities that are attractive in any relationship dynamic. Leading the way, establishing the tone in relationships. When you take the initiative and make the first move, you're doing more than just beginning a conversation. You're effectively setting the tone for the entire interaction and potentially even the relationship itself. Consider instances where others have stepped up, like a supervisor at work or a friend organizing a trip. Didn't their leadership offer clarity and direction? This same concept applies to dating. In this context, leadership is all about cultivating a positive atmosphere, one that nurtures trust and mutual respect. It goes beyond planning dates or initiating discussions. It's a demonstration of your appreciation and care for the other person. The importance of making the first move, fostering connection, not preserving convention. Initiating, the first step in dating, isn't about adhering to old-fashioned gender roles. It's about nurturing authentic human connection. Women desire to feel valued, respected, and secure. By making the first move and expressing interest, you're doing more than meeting expectations. You're opening the door for something genuine to flourish. Next time you hesitate to make the first move, remember, perfection isn't the goal. Being present, confident, and genuine is what truly counts. These traits spark meaningful relationships, so go ahead and take that first step. It might just lead to something wonderful. If you enjoyed this video or found it valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with friends who could use encouragement, and subscribe to this channel for more tips on developing relationships and boosting self-confidence. If you're not already following me on Instagram, join us there. I love connecting on a more personal level. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.